Racing just is started. We have India. Break quickly at a start. Moving up on the outside. Newsmaker charge forward. Perhaps Love is down on the inside. Highway Builder comes next. Then followed by New Chapter. Next on line is Zatoy for us. While Reporter raced the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have India. This time by about 2 lengths. Newsmaker in second. Highway Builder is racing in third. Down on the inside for this Perhaps Love. Charge forward comes next Atoy for us. Then comes New Chapter. While Reporter is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader. We have India by about half length. Moving up now on the outside is Highway Builder. Perhaps Love is down on the inside. Newsmaker in the middle portion. Charge forward is down in tip. Then next on line is New Chapter. Reporter while Atoy for us now running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race. We have India by about half length. And in second on the outside is Highway Builder. Perhaps Love charge forward. Moving up now on the outside as they swing for home. We have India by out ahead. Moving up now on the outside is Highway Builder. Perhaps Love is down on the inside. 3 runners by the right for the lead. Perhaps Love, Highway Builder, Reporter is on the outside. But still Perhaps Love, Reporter, and Paris a close finish. Perhaps Love, Reporter, then comes Highway Builder, close between El Indio and Charge Forward.
The whole time wala tayong